the greatest legacy we can leave for our children? It is not money or the material things accumulated over the years in our lives. The greatest legacy, rather, is the character, the culture, the values, and the faith. That is the greatest legacy we can leave for our children, and that is the legacy which multiplies when they spend it. Ladies and gentlemen, our children are the next generation who will carry on this legacy for us and whatever we leave them today. All about children and all of us trying to keep in pace with this new digital generation. Magic made generation who value the most. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite Ms. Neha Dhupia on the stage for the launch of the Magic Matrix logo. So Neha is also, apart from being Miss India that you have been, and she's also a new mom. So we would like you to think of something like a mom and say a few magic words, and the logo will magically appear. Yes?
I feel like as a mom or a new mom, the only magic words that, especially within this week, that you can say is Santa Claus. A very warm good evening to each and every one of you. I think it's absolutely wonderful that we're here at the launch of Magic Matrix Studio. So huge congratulations to everybody who's a part of this. And of course, the entire Footnani family that's here next to me. Thank you very much for making me a part of this wonderful event. You're also very brave, like I mentioned. What is great about this city and everybody who's in the audience is that you're sitting far apart, you're sitting with your masks on. I'm the only one who's not with a mask, and I mean, we have a job to do, so you understand, and forgive us. But yeah, I mean, it's great to be here. What a fantastic evening, and that word also reminds me of what you're here to launch, which is fantastic, Tara. So congratulations on that. I had a brief meeting with the wonderful director of Fantastic Tara, Mr. Rajendra. I don't know where he is, right? There he is, everybody. The man behind Fantastic Tara. I was reading about Tara, and I have to say that, are you a dad? Then you know, because I was just like this much insight as to what children want and what an 8-year-old girl can want and what she thinks of and how much trouble she can be, only a father can do. So yeah, congratulations to you, and congratulations to the entire Footnani family to support him and take this forward. I feel animation is such a wonderful thing. It can be so expressive, it can be so educational, it can be so consuming at the same time. So yeah, I mean, if we give it to our children in the right way, I think it's great for them. They develop a side of their brain and their being that, you know, which transfers them into a little bit of a fairy tale land. So why not? If they don't do that as kids, when else will they do it? So congratulations to each and every one of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And for your question, which I've obviously, because I've spoken so much that I've forgotten your question.
No, you have obviously added on to it, and you being a mom now, you know the vision that you have for your kid also.
Yes, of course. And then, you know, when you said the think of magic words, I said Santa Claus, but really that was not what I wanted to say. My magic words that I really want to say as a mom, I'm not going to lie, are brush your teeth, eat broccoli, and go to sleep on time. Those are my magic words.
Absolutely, I can understand.
Thank you
so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello everyone, a very good evening. Warm welcome to everyone, and especially Ms. Neha Dhupia. Thank you so much for being here. We are brave, but you're equally brave to fly down from Mumbai. Magic Matrix, let me tell you very frankly, it's a dreamy journey. His dreams from last 3 years. Yeah, lockdown helped us to go in depth of it, and this is definitely one thing that, he always wanted to do. How much cliche it might sound, but Manish is very fond of kids. So kids entertainment is something that is always on his mind. And we thought of like, this is a wonderful way to have passion, purpose, and profits together. Well said.
Yeah, good evening, everybody, and thank you, Neha Dupe, to please come to and join us. It's really pleasure that you have attended our function. And I'll just tell about what exactly made me to do this creative thing. At the lockdown, I was just sitting in the house, in the garden, and just doing my gardening, walking. So I just thought, why not? I was thinking 3 years back to make an entertainment park for children, but many people, they didn't support me. They said it's a lot of funds has to be pumped, and so things will be not that great. But this was there in my mind last 3 years. So then I just thought, why not I go, instead of making a park for the kids, make an animation, 3D animation, web series. Maybe in future I'll be planning to go for a movie or something. So this really took me, and the blessings of the elderly made me to do this thing. So that's a great. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear a huge round of applause and congratulations to the entire Fadnani family.
One last thing that I want to add to what he is saying is like, when we say creativity, it flows when you are with nature. So he has got the ideas in the garden. So I mean, all kids sitting here, digital is the word, but be touch with your roots. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Just
ma'am.
want to add a few things. I thanks Rajendra. Actually, I just had pumped him and asked for it, and he was ready to take. And please join Rajendra with us, just for at least a picture. He's an amazing guy, and the show actually without him and the team, what he has created for me, for the Magic Matrix is amazing. It's commendable. Words cannot express what actually he has done. He's behind like a pillar to me for this Magic Matrix. Thank you.
Yeah, actually, I request I can't take the whole credit because animation is very new for me. So I invite Srinivas and Sanjeev to join me on stage, and even Anmona, who wrote the story, to join on the stage. So yeah. So these are the people. So behind the story and behind the animation, and he is a very creative guy. They spend their whole lives in animation. They worked with DQ, they worked with Prana, and Anmona is a writer. She is writing from last 7 years. So we as a team, we did this script and everything. Now it's coming live because of Manish ji and Nayan. So they encouraged us, they give whatever we asked. That's why it's coming so well. So now we are waiting for Namrata. Please join, please.
Just you can say something, ma'am.
I just want to say that today is a very special day for Sitara, and I'm really proud and happy that she's associated with fantastic Tara. It was, I think, a week ago when Rajendra Garu came and showed us the teaser, and the quality of the animation and just how he's developed the character. And I was really excited to know that they were inspired by Sitara. And when I showed Sitara that, she was even more excited, and this is something she wants to do and she wanted to do, and I'm simply encouraging her. So that's it from me. And I just wish the team all the best, and
Thank
I
you.
hope you all reach new heights. Nayan and Manish ji, wishing the whole team of all our animators absolutely all the best and a lot of success. Thank you.
All right, get ready to applause. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the poster for Fantastic Tara. All right, first you will have to say the magic words. Magic words this time are magic matrix. All right?
I wish all the best for Fantastic Thara.
I think that's the magic words for you.
The entire thing is fantastic, Tara, inspired by Sitara. That is the tagline. And we are very, very glad for this collaboration. Thank you, Namrata ji. Thank you, Sitara. I hope you are able to say that, Tara and Sitara are same.
Yeah. Actually, one of my best friends' name is Tara.
Wow.